Good night. My name is Yandovito Villamil. I belong to the program of Technology in Automatic Mechanics, and this work is resistance of materials that is dedicated to us with Professor Hector Dusan. Today, 6th of November of 2022, I come to talk about the concept of shear force and bending moment. I hope you enjoyed it and learn. What is shear of shear stress in materials? Shear is the action of stress resulting from applied forces that cause two cushions parts of the body of two bodies to select relate to each other in the direction parallel to their contact plane. In material mixing, shear strength is the maximum shear stress that the of material is able to withstand. In testing, the shear stress is caused by cutting of torsional load and is based on the dimension of the original sample. In elongate space, such as beacons and pillars, the reference plane is in solid parallel to the cross sections, yet one perpendicular to the longitudinal axis. Unlike normal force, it is more difficult to appreciate it in the burns since its effects is less evident. Average shear stress. Approving the arises in a calculation is due to the fact that the stresses are not evenly distributed over an R if you want to obtain the average voltage. The formula and applied. Maximum shear voltage. The above equation and the views calculate the maximum transmission stress for different types of section and compare its value with that of the average voltage. I can be proved that for any type of cross section it is true that flexor moment at bending moment of flexor or bending moment is a moment of force resulting from a distribution of stress over a cross section of flexing mechanical prims of plate that is perpendicular to the longitudinal axis along which bending occurs. It is a typical street in bends and pillars and also slabs since as these elements then the forms predominant by bedding. The bedding moment can appear when these elements are subject to the action of a moment torque or are also point or discrete force. The signs that determine the bending moments in bends and positive or negative depend on the effect that this moment produces. When the effect of the moment produces tensions in the lower fibers of the bend, it is spoken of a positive moment. While if the moment produces tension in the upper fibers of the bend, it will the side that negative moment occurred. Importance of engineering. In the design and manufacture of structures types of incomplete works in engineering. Thank you very much.